Leo, stop. Come here for a second. Stop kicking the ball.
What is it, Lina? I'm trying to beat my record of 20 kicks.
Look at the window. There is someone new.
Whoa, he looks like a grumpy king. Or maybe a very strict school principal.
He doesn't look angry to me, Leo. He looks serious. There is a difference.
Serious? Lina, he looks like he's judging the whole street. I bet if my football lands in his garden, he will take it and never give it back.
But look at the truck, Leo. It's a big truck, but only one man is getting out. There are no kids, no grandma, not even a cat.
Maybe he's a secret agent? Or a hermit?
A hermit? What's that?
Someone who lives all alone and never wants to talk to anyone.
I don't think so. I think he's just lonely.
I'm staying on my side of the fence. I have a bad feeling about this. He looks like the type of person who shouts, "Hey, get off my lawn!"
Leo, you shouldn't judge a book by its cover.
Well, that cover looks like it wants to start a fight. I'm going home. Are you coming?
In a minute. I want to see if he smiles. Just once.
See? No smile. Just a go away sign. Good luck with your lonely friend, Lina.
Mom? I have a question about the new neighbor in the blue house.
Oh, you mean the tall gentleman who just arrived? I saw him from the window.
Leo says he looks like a grumpy king. He thinks we should stay away from him because he has a scary face.
A grumpy king? That's a very big title for someone who just finished a long move. Why does Leo think that?
Because he doesn't smile, Mom. He just stands by the window and looks empty.
Well, Lina, moving is very stressful. Maybe his heart is just a little heavy today. Imagine leaving your old home and all your friends. Wouldn't you look serious too?
I guess so. I felt a little bit sad for him. I don't want him to spend his first night in a new house feeling lonely.
That's very sweet of you, Lina. You know, we have a choice. We can be afraid like Leo, or we can show some hospitality.
Hospitality? That's a big word. What does it mean exactly?
It means making someone feel welcome.
How about we bake our famous honey cookies? If he eats something sweet, maybe his face will soften.
Why don't we do exactly that? I have the honey and the butter right here.
Yes, and I can draw a welcome card with a big sun and some flowers.
That is a perfect example of hospitality. Why don't you start the card while I finish the dough?
Mom, what if he doesn't like cookies? What if he really is grumpy?
Then at least you know you did a kind thing. Kindness is never a mistake, Lina.
Hello, sir. My name is Lina. I live in the house next door. I came to say welcome to the neighborhood.
Welcome? To me?
Yes, these are honey cookies. My mom and I baked them this afternoon. They are very sweet.
Oh my, I haven't smelled fresh baking like this in a very long time. Thank you, Lina. This is very unexpected.
You're welcome. Do you like the house so far?
It's a bit quiet, but it has a nice view of the street. Would you like to come in for a moment? I just made a pitcher of fresh orange juice.
I would love to. Thank you for the invitation, Mr. Thomas.
You're very welcome, Lina.
Wow, it smells so good in here.
Come on in, make yourself at home. Please, make yourself at home, Lina. I apologize for the mess. Unpacking is a slow process when you have 80 years of memories in boxes.
It's okay, Mr. Thomas. Wow, you have so many books, Mr. Thomas. Are you a writer?
No. I was a librarian for 40 years. So tell me, Lina, be honest. What does the neighborhood think of the new man in the blue house?
Well, my friend Leo was a little bit scared. He told me you looked like a grumpy king.
A grumpy king? Oh, that is wonderful! Why a king? Do I have a crown hidden somewhere?
No! He said it was because you were standing so still in the window and looking so stern. He thought you were going to take our football if it landed in your yard.
Ah, I see. I wasn't being stern, Lina. I was actually quite confused. I had lost my reading glasses, and I was staring at the street trying to remember if I left them in the car.
I knew it! I told Leo you were probably just lonely.
You are very perceptive for a 10-year-old. I was feeling a bit lonely. It's very quiet here without my wife, but having a guest for juice, well, it makes the silence disappear.
You don't have to be lonely anymore, Mr. Thomas. You have us now.
Thank you, Lina. That is the best invitation I've ever received. Now, tell me, does this grumpy king need to give Leo his football back?
Not yet! He hasn't lost it yet! Mom, have you seen my blue folder? I need it for science class.
Check the coffee table, Lina, and hurry, you'll be late.
Who is that so early? Grandpa! I mean, Mr. Thomas! Good morning!
Good morning, Lina. I hope I'm not interrupting your morning. I came to return the cookie plate and bring you a little gift.
It's a flower! It's beautiful, thank you. I'm actually just leaving for school, but please, come in for a second.
Good morning, Mr. Thomas. What a lovely surprise. Would you like a quick cup of tea?
Good morning. I'd love one, thank you. I wouldn't want to be a bother while you are busy. I just wanted to give Lina this marigold. It loves the sun, just like her.
Lina, hurry up! If we miss the bus again, the teacher will...
Oh, hello.
Leo, don't be shy. This is Mr. Thomas, our new neighbor. Mr. Thomas, this is my friend Leo. He's the one who thought you were a grumpy king.
Lina, why did you tell him that?
Don't worry, Leo. I heard all about it. I promise I'm not a king, and I'm only grumpy when I run out of coffee!
Sorry, sir. I had the wrong information. I thought you were serious because you didn't smile at the window.
Apology accepted, young man. Now, don't let me keep you from school. Education is more important than talking to an old neighbor.
I have an idea. How about you meet us here after school? We can go to the park together at 5 o'clock.
That sounds wonderful.
Yes!
I would love that. It's a deal, Lina.
Great! See you later! Bye, Mr. Thomas. Nice to meet you. Okay, Grandpa, we're off to the bus. Bye, Grandpa.
Have a wonderful day, dears.
We will!
Neighbors, what a wonderful thing to have.